Dear students, today we are going to learn about the topic first of the linear differential equation. It is the important topic of differential equation. Differential equation ki yamna important oiba topic ni ko. Kamaina define tawsige and yengasi a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and the q are functions of x or constant only. There by capital P ga capital Q was functions of x natraga constant kauganeba and is called the first order linear differential equation. First order linear differential equation haidi sigi form the labor differential equation ama kaureko. Example, dy by dx plus xy is equal to 2. Second, the dy by dx plus 10x and y is equal to e to the power 10 inverse of x. Ahan bagisida dy by dx plus xy is equal to 2 niko. P have a kaino. P is a function of x or constant. P means a function of x or constant involving with this yi. Sigi y sigi involved toraga layrise. P ki value is x tabam to echo. Aduga q. Q is the functions of x or constant in the left hand side or in the right hand side of the equation. Nangi right hand side the label se orani bako. Aduga ahan bagi P se 10 inverse of x tare. Aduga q sina e to the power 10 inverse of x sumain tawraga fange ko. Second equation sigi p sina 10x ni q sina e to the power 10 inverse of x later. Sumaina a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q is called a first order linear differential equation. Now we are going to learn about how to solve a first order linear differential equation. Next topic, method of solving first order linear differential equation. Magi method saying siko. First, consider a differential equation of the type dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Write equation number 1. Multiplying both sides of equation number 1 by e to the power integration of p dx to make left hand side of the equation number 1 an exact differential equation. E to the power p dx na left hand side and right hand side to multiply to e to the power integral p dx into dy by dx plus q e to the power integral p dx multiplied by p is equal to q into e to the power integral p dx. E to the power integral p dx dy by dx plus y. Sigi integral sigi expression ja kaigamane. This is equal to the differentiation of e to the power integration of p dx. Since the derivative of e to the power integration of p dx will be equal to e to the power integral of p dx tareko, and dy dx of integral of p dx will be equal to dy dx to get integration ga cancel tawraga p haiba ma thoglaeko. Aduna sigi expression je kaiga manare dy dx of e to the power integral p dx tare, which is equal to q into e to the power integration of p dx. Chigi expression is a differentiation of product of two functions y into e to the power integration of p dx. First, the y is derivative lower e to the power integration p dx constant hame y amo constant hame, then find the derivative of e to the power integration of p dx later. To the product rule apply to dy dx of y into e to the power integration of p dx is equal to q e to the power integration of p dx tareko. And now integrating on both sides of the equation. Both sides of the equation say integration lower kanda y into e to the power integration of p dx tare. Have the process of differentiation and integration say cancel tawna given ko dy dx integration lower dy dx ke integration ko cancel tawre. Duna y e to the power integration of p dx and integration of q e to the power p dx e to the power integral p dx ani segi product se with respect to x tamu integration laure ko aduga plus c hape, where c is the constant of integration. Equation number 2. Now simplifying equation number 2, we get the general solution of the first order linear differential equation, where e to the power integration of p dx is called the integrating factor. See important ko. Then what is the integrating factor of a first order linear differential equation? Haidi kaina pigani e to the power integral of p dx habasina pirakaniba. Then equation number 2 sina general solution of first order linear differential equation pire. Kamaina tawi haita dy into integrating factor is equal to mathang the integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Sigi equation se bayar taw tare ko. Question. Write the stepwise method of solving a first order linear differential equation. First order linear differential equation solve tauba kan stepwise method oina hangba yai ko. Number 1 da ngasai khuna kamai taugi. Write the given differential equation in the form dy by dx plus by is equal to q. Sigi form the iraneba, where capital Q, P and Q are constant or functions of x only. Constant natraga functions of x khaktang oigadaba. Number 2, find the integrating factor. Integrating factor is denoted by capital IF, which is given by e to the power integral of p dx. P is a function of x or constant. Number 3, write the solution of the differential equation is y into integrating factor into integral of product of q and the integrating factor with respect to x, the integration loro duga plus c habam hapeko, where c is the constant of integration. Chumaina nangi stepwise method the ige haitar di method kya yare, method ahum yare ko. Exercise 9.6 question number 2 c yang si ko. Exercise 9.6 the kai hai find the general solution of each of the following differential equations. On the differential equations khara pire sigi general solution puthokadaba. General solution se kai gi formula na p y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q if dx plus c sina pire ko. Question number 2, dy by dx plus 3y is equal to e to the power minus 2x. Sigi equation se standard form of first order linear differential equation tare ko. First write the value of p and q. P se kai ga manare nangi general form duga compare tawre. dy by dx plus capital py is equal to q habasida. P ki value se 3 tare duga q ki value se na e to the power minus 2x tare ko. Next, find the integrating factor. Integrating factor is given by e to the power integration of p dx in a pirakaneba. E to the power integration of p. Hosik p ki value se 3 ni ko dx, and integration of 3 dx is equal to e to the power 3x tare, and therefore the solution of the equation is given by y into integrating factor. Chigi equation jan ito ko integral of q into integrating factor dx plus c ni. Y e to the power 3x iro integration of nangi q gi value se ngasai kai tagre q is equal to e to the power minus 2x tagi ko. Minus 2x se iro integrating factor e to the power 3x dx plus c ore ko. Yodi e to the power 3x tagi ani se same base ore power se plus taurasi 3x minus 2x e to the power x and dx tare ko. E to the power x haibam phange, and find the integral of this function e to the power x plus c. Integral se e to the power x ta dum phange ko, and which is the general solution of the given differential equation. Next question, question number 3. dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square, and which is the standard form of the first order linear differential equation. First, write the values of capital P and the Q. P is the function involving with this y. P is the function of x or constant involving with this variable y, and so P will be equal to 1 by x, and Q is the functions of x or constant in the left hand side of the equation, and Q is equal to x square. Ani se iraba matungda integrating factor puthokani e to the power integration of p dx, e to the power integral 1 by x dx. And what is the integral of 1 by x? E log x tai ko e ga log ka se cancel tawe duna kai khatanga haure we get x. X is the integrating factor of the given differential equation, and so write the solution of the given differential equation, which is given by y into integrating factor integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Write if x q be value hapo x square, if ki value hapo x hape ko dx plus c. X square ki x ke into tauro x cube tare dx plus c. X cube the integration laura di x to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1, x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c tare ko. And so which is the integral of this function x to the power cube, and hence the general solution of the given differential equation is xy is equal to x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c. Sigi equation sina nangi general solution pirani. General solution haidi kaino a solution involving arbitrary constant c. C involved to was koina general solution kawi ko. Next question, question number 5. The given differential equation is cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to 10x haibasini sima standard form da leibra leite standard form de kaiga mane dy by dx plus py is equal to q haibaduni aduna sigi cos square x se divide tause. We should divide both sides of the equation by cos square x, and we have dy by dx plus y divided by cos square x is equal to 10x divided by cos square x. Dy by dx plus y by cos square x is equal to sec square xy is equal to 10x into sec square x. Nangi differential equation se standard form the later ko. Then write the values of p and q. P is the function of x or constant involving with y, which is equal to sec square x, and the q sina kaino nangi right hand side the lairiba function sine 10x into sec square x etare ko. And now write the integrating factor and find the integrating factor, which is given by e to the power integration of p dx. Sina pire ko e. What is the value of p? Sec square x dx, and p si e si di kembo sense later sigi power si khatang nang integration logadabane. Sec square x ki integral se kai da chale 10x da chale ko. Antiderivative of sec square x is equal to 10x, and so integrating factor of the given differential equation is e to the power 10x. Now write the solution of the given differential equation, which is given by y into integrating factor is equal to product of q and integrating factor dx plus c. Sinapire ko y into e to the power 10x equal to q ki value 10x sec square x into e to the power 10x dx plus c. Integration yabra yade ko substitution method apply tare. For this, we have to put 10x is equal to t. 10x is any variable amada substitute tauraseba. Since derivative of 10 ki derivative se kai tabagi sec square x tai ko sec square x dx, it will be equal to dt. By applying this substitution, then this equation becomes y e to the power 10x is equal to integral of this 10x is to be replaced by t, and the e to the power 10x is to be replaced by e to the power t, and sec square x into dx is equal to dt. Anis this into equa. We have the integral of two function kaya gi integration no ani gi function ani la di khona integrating by parts saibam integration by parts saibam legi ko do apply ta orsi integration by parts ta elat haibam yaw ELATA. Elat sida yariba t sina algebraic function ni. Yugi e to the power x in an exponential function neba. In the letter elat sida letter a comes first. A in a first lag taragadi, we have to consider t as the first function and e to the power t as the second function. T sina first function na khale, e to the power t na second function na khale ko. Then apply the integration of these two functions, which is given by the formula. First write the first function t, find the integral of second function minus. Find the derivative of first function into integral of the second function dt plus c. t lereko integral of e to the power t minus derivative of t is equal to plus 1, and integration of e to the power t is e to the power t dt plus c. 1 ga e to the power t ga multiply toro e to the power t fange ko t e to the power t minus integral of e to the power t is e to the power t plus c si fange. And akwena sida yariba t se replace tausi ko t ki mahuta kaina sintare 10x na sintare, and so the given differential equation can be written as y e to the power 10x, which is equal to 10x e to the power 10x minus e to the power 10x plus c. Y is equal to c e to the power 10x e to the power 10x da su yawe ko divide tauthokra. Dividing both sides of the equation by e to the power 10x, we have y is equal to 10x minus 1 into c divided by e to the power 10x. It can be expressed as c into e to the power minus 10x. Minus means reciprocal oidoini ko habidi inverse to ina lakani ba. Next question is question number 7. The given differential equation is x log x dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 divided by x log x ineba. Se nang kaino da laibra standard form da laibra laite ko laite taraga di sigi x log x ina divide tok thokadaba. dividing both sides of the equation by x log x. dy by dx plus y divided by x log x, which is equal to 2 divided by x log x into 1 divided by x log x. Divide log x cancel duga 2 divided by x square. Then write the values of p and q. P की value irasi, q की value irasi ko. P की value से क्या तारे 1 divided by x log x तारे, अदुगा q की value से ना 2 divided by x square ने. Then find the integrating factor. Integrating factor of the equation is given by e to the power integration of p dx. E di kembo yaudे नंगी integration सिदे lower kadabani ko. E to the power integration of 1 by x into log x and the dx. Integration of two function niko, since the derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x, and so we have to apply the substitution method to find the antiderivative of this function. Now putting this log x is equal to t, and derivative of log x is 1 by x and dx. Derivative 1 by x dx and dt na singidoiniko. And now integrating factor is equal to e to the power 1 by log x 1 by t na sileko. Duga 1 by x dx habase kaina singrani dt na singrani 1 by t dt khatanga haure. Find the integral of this function, which is equal to e to the power log modulus of t, e ga log ka cancel tawraga t ta haure ko. Stamana modulus hapije kaigino log function di positive oigadabane. Hence the solution of the equation is given by y into integrating factor, which is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into log x is equal to integration of q is equal to 2 divided by x square ni log x dx plus c tare. Sisu integration yabra. Integration cha amuka yade ko. Integration yadabani na koina kaidawni substitution method paaneba. Substitution method se apply to bukanda karamba function put tawgani. Nangi log x habase kaigamane 1 by x tare ko. 2 divided by x square se nang 2 by x into x hain e reseba. 2 by x into 1 by x haraga sumane ko. Log x se ina z ta thame. Giving exponent power on both sides of the equation. Exponent power se rise to record e to the power log x e to the power z. E ga log ka cancel to this the x se kaiga manarani e to the power z ta record e to the power minus z plus 1 by x have se phangeba. Have the ani se reciprocal over. Taking reciprocal on both sides of the equation, 1 by x will be equal to e to the power minus z. How's x e to the power z tare 1 by x habadudi e to the power minus z se tare ko. And 1 by x dx damuk derivative lawsi ko. Derivative of log x is equal to z with respect to x 1 by x dx tare, which is equal to dz ka manarani ba. The solution irasi ko, and so si y si log x se dum nangi left hand side si de angka hote, right hand side si khatang hot kada bani ko 2. Duna si variable log x dx nanga sai log x se kaina singi z na sille ko. Z na sille aduga si variable 1 by x and dx ani neba 2 by x samaga 1 by x samaga 2 ama lere. Sigi x sigi mahuta kaina singrani e to the power z ama sille ko. Duga 1 by x dx habase ani se punjilaga kaina sille sige dz china last irage ko dz sumaina 2 by x habase amana 2 thame x ki mahuta e to the power x na sille ko. Duga log x ina z na sille. Duga 1 by x dx habase na kaina singre dz na singre ba. Jadi simuk integration of two function tare ko. Y log x is equal to 2z. Ngasagi denominator o base numerator da pukhale e to the power minus z dz plus c hare ko. Integration of two function ne. Duna ilet panba matam de exponent have se last lebanina 2z sina first function aduga e to the power z sina second function laure ko 2z. Find the integral of the second function e to the power minus z dz minus, then find the derivative of first function 2z ki differentiation se 2 fange ko. And integral of e to the power minus z will be equal to e to the power minus z, and derivative of minus z ki minus 1 am thorakani dz plus c fange ko. 2 times of z e to the power minus z minus 1 plus Sigi minus siga di plus tare ko 2 times of e to the power minus z and dz plus c tare minus 2z e to the power minus z minus lai se kaigino integration of e to the power minus z say e to the power minus z ne, and the derivative of minus z will be equal to minus 1 minus plus minus tare ko aduna minus ama step ama samjile nangi y log x habase minus 2z e to the power minus z and minus 2 e to the power minus z plus c siga manare ko du ngasagi expression du da amka yengasi ko साइगी एक्सप्रेशन द हाई की बसे y log x ama leire minus 2 z habase kaina sengi log x na sengi banista ko z habase log x na sille aduga 1 by x habase kaiga manai e to the power minus z habase ga managi and so 2 log x magi z se log x thame e to the power minus z 1 by x tare ko minus 2 e to the power minus z 1 by x plus c hapo stagi aina kai common law tho a minus 2 by x common law matam da stagi plus 1 am phange stagi log modulus of x x habasi the always positive oigada banina modulus habam hape ko which is the general solution of the given differential equation. Next question number 13. Question 13 the kai hai dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 10x sin x neba. It is given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3. Initial condition piramagadi particular solution puthokadabani ko. Ahanbada general solution puthose. P dy by dx plus 2y 10x is equal to sin x. Mase kaida leire first habadi first order linear differential equation gi standard form the labor kawe ko p gi value iro p is the multiple of kanagi y ni 2 10x q is equal to sin x tare then find integrating factor e to the power p dx e to the power 2 10x e to the power 2 derivative of 10x log modulus of sec x dai ko using log property e to the power log sigi power 2 se sec the square p by I ko aduga e ga log ka cancel tawre sec square x haiba ma phange sec square x se kanagi integral no integrating factor no nangi given differential equation gi integrating factor ni ko hence the solution of the equation is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integral of product of q and integrating factor dx plus c y. Write integrating factor sec square x. Write q is sin x and sec square x is sigi integrating factor sec square x dx reco plus c sin x integration yanaba sigi sec se cos the reco cos square x dx plus c. Now putting cos x is equal to t. Derivative of cos substitution palini ko kaigino haradi cos ki derivative se sin type minus sin x dx is equal to dt fange. By applying this substitution, the above equation can be written as y sec square x is equal to sin x dx kaina singrani minus dt na sile ko duga cos square x cos x se t oitardi cos square x se t square tarani plus c habam hape t square minus 1 integral of numerator se denominator se numerator de express toxico t to the power minus 2 dt denominator de ade numerator de whole adu the integration lore see integration logo matam the y sec square x minus 1 t to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c tare t to the power minus 1 segi minus samaga d minus plus tagre ko plus c t to the power minus 7 se 1 by cos x ne plus c means sec x plus c. So I need to go equation number 1 which is the general solution of the given differential equation. Then we have to apply the initial condition to find the particular value of this constant c. Initial condition is y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3. X in a pi by 3 will become the y give value is 0 level. Substituting y equals to 0 and x is equal to pi by 3 in equation number 1, we get y0 hape ko sec square pi by 3 is equal to sec pi by 3 plus c. X dana pi by 3 singadaba y dana 0 sele left hand side multiple of 0 is equal to 0 2 sec pi by 3 sec 60 की value से क्या नो है वकाना plus 2 तारे को plus c the value of c is equal to minus 2 तारे नंग c की value पुथोए को putting the value of c in equation number 1 we get y sec square x is equal to sec x minus 2 यदि c की particular value से फंगबनिना this type of solution is called the particular solution of the given differential equation. For today, let's end here.